This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terry Doying-Main. No showings until open house on Sunday, July 25, 11 to 3 p.m. This home is just gorgeous and has a nice open floor plan. Located in Torino area. New roof in 2018, fenced in oversized corner lot in desirable Torino area, huge kitchen with granite, subway tile backsplash, Frigidaire Stainless Steel appliances. Large walk-in pantry, large laundry room, no carpet, plantation shutters in main living areas, upgraded ceiling fans, large master bath with his in-amp, her walk-in closets, double sinks, soaking tub and separate shower. Large shed in the backyard, 12x24, perfect for doing crafts etc. Large open patio in backyard. Plenty of room for a pool. Offered unfurnished but some furniture is negotiable. Pianos are not for sale. For more information, review the details below or contact Terry Doying-Main at 954-693-0100.